There are 4 modifications or hacks that I wish I had known about when I had bought my RV. I want to share them with you today because you too might find them useful. We purchased our Little Guy Max trailer a year and a half ago, and these are 4 things that we've done to upgrade our RV and have made RVing for us more comfortable and easier. Come on in and let me show you the first modification that we've made that we absolutely love. And it all starts back here in the bedroom. The first modification I want to share with you is the Froli sleep system. The Froli sleep system is a system that is easy to assemble, and it has turned our bed into a 5-star like hotel bed. If you can imagine, prior to putting the Froli sleep system in, our mattress was laying on this hard piece of wood. But now it lays on a squishy spring-like system, giving the mattress extra support and just really making it more comfortable. I originally installed the Froli sleep system because I was fearful of getting mold underneath our mattress. The mattress that came with the Little Guy Max is a very comfortable mattress, but by adding the Froli sleep system underneath our mattress, it really has made a difference with the comfort of our bed. After I installed the Froli sleep system, I did contact the company, and they were kind enough to give me a 15% discount code that I can offer to you. So if you're interested in purchasing the Froli sleep system, you can save 15%. I will leave all information you need to get your 15% discount in the video description below. I also did a video where I installed the Froli sleep system, so if you're interested in learning how to install it and a little bit more about it, I will also leave a link to that video in the description below. To show you my number 2 favorite mod or hack that we've done with the RV, we've got to go outside. So come on, let's go. Yes, I did that. I just flinged the door wide open, and look what happened. We have a magnetic door catcher that stops the door from slamming against the trailer, and more importantly for us, against this window. If you've watched my other videos, you probably saw that this window here got cracked when the wind caught the door and it slammed open and it banged against the window. But I no longer have to worry about that because of the magnetic door catcher. The third modification that we've done to make RVing easier for us is we've installed a keyless door entry. We installed the keyless door entry for security and convenience. Now, when we want to lock the door, we simply press and hold down the lock button for a second and the door will automatically lock. And to unlock the door, we have a 4-digit code that we press in, and then we simply hit the unlock button and the door automatically unlocks. This has made it super convenient for getting in and out of the RV without a key. I had originally thought about buying a keyless entry for our RV just for convenience. Then I learned that most RV manufacturers today use the same RV key. So from a safety and security perspective, I thought it would be a good idea to get this keyless entry and not worry about other people having keys that will work in my RV. The fourth modification that I've made that have made RVing easier for us has to do with our cabinets. While traveling down the road, our cabinets and our drawers kept coming open. The trailer came with one catch here. We've added a second one up there and a third one down below. So now we've got 3 door catches that really secure the doors, and they've not opened while we've been traveling down the road since we've added this easy and cheap fix. We've done that to all of our cabinets. In addition to our cabinets opening while we've been traveling down the road, our drawers have also opened while we've been traveling down the road. So we've replaced the original hinges that came with the RV with some extra heavy duty hinges. And so far, since we've upgraded to this extra heavy hinge, these drawers have not opened while traveling down the road either. The drawer underneath the bed was a drawer that we had not changed the hinges on. And this drawer has since opened while we've been traveling down the road, and all of its contents were on the floor, and it actually broke the hinges for this drawer. So we're going to replace the hinges on this drawer as well, just like we did on this drawer, to stop that from happening again. We love RVing, and we're mostly weekend warriors, but these 4 modifications that we've made have really enhanced our RVing experience and made things easier and more comfortable for us. I will leave links to all of the products that we used in the video description below. And if you have questions about any of the things that I've shared with you today, please let me know in the comments section below as well, and I will be happy to answer all of your questions. What RV modifications or hacks have you done that have enhanced your RVing experience? Please also share with me in the comments section below. I want to hear your tips and tricks too.